Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous topic we have discussed about minerals and ores, and in that case we have got to know that ores are such a substance from which the extraction of metal can be done profitably. So now in this topic we are going to talk about the different methods used in metallurgy. So friends, before understanding the different methods used in metallurgy, it is very much important for us to understand what is actually metallurgy. So metallurgy is the process of extraction of metal from its ore, and this is what we are going to talk about, the different methods involved in metallurgy. So starting with the first one, that is pyrometallurgy. So what does pyrometallurgy means? Pyrometallurgy means extraction of the metal from its ore at a high temperature using suitable reducing agents like carbon and aluminium. So that is pyrometallurgy, and the detail about this I will tell you in my future lecture. So talking about next, that is hydrometallurgy. So what is hydrometallurgy? Hydrometallurgy is the extraction of the metal from its salt in an aqueous solution. And talking about the next one, that is electrometallurgy. So electrometallurgy is nothing but the extraction of the metal using, that is, electricity, and this is what we are going to talk about in my next lecture also. So in this all case, the main thing is to extract metal from its ore by using a suitable reagent or by using a particular method so as to extract the main metal. So therefore this were nothing but the different methods used in metallurgy, and that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.